Welcome to a new episode with Pasta Queen React and Pasta Bro. Today we're going to be looking at the greatest, most viral pasta fails on the web.
Let's hope for the best.
I want to say I'm excited, but I'm not. Let's start it.
That already seemed like overcooked
I'm
pasta.
guessing this is going inside the oven, so it's already overcooked. So going inside the oven afterwards gonna make it basically like mushy, gross. I don't know. But why all that bechamel sauce? If that's even bechamel sauce.
I don't know.
It's supposed to be a little bit of a sprinkle between the layers of lasagna.
Okay, what is that?
This is giving me stomach gurgles already,
Yeah.
right? You think like...
Let's see. Oh,
No, but look at the
That's so
bottom.
good.
There's nothing
Yeah.
at the bottom. No.
it's already canned. Canned, whatever.
Well, she can use canned as long as they were canned at the height of summer, where the tomatoes are the ripest.
It's already like wrong procedure. I mean, why would you do onion after the tomato sauce?
Yeah, there's a little trick, you first sizzle the onion to create this base for the tomatoes to go in. You don't need to add these amazing
You can see a professional chef knife.
aromatics.
Have you seen it?
That's Nonna's knife. First sizzle it. Sizzle the onions. Also, could you have chopped them a little bit finer?
Is that?
What is that?
I think it's butter or some kind of margarine.
Also, no, I disagree with the dry shelf spices that have been there forever. Get a little fresh basil, a little fresh bay leaves, some fresh oregano. I don't know.
Yeah, that's not gonna be good, guys.
Also, that's like onions with a little bit of tomatoes.
What is that? Yeah.
No!
See, it's doing it.
Is that canned green beans?
Yeah, it is. Wow.
Why do I have to subject myself to watch this?
I don't know.
Why do we do this to ourselves?
Wow.
Oh, this is not a pasta sauce. Oh, what is this? We've got some bow ties. They have already been cooked.
Rotisserie
Chicken?
It's happening.
I don't know. Is this some sort of pasta bake again? I am so done with these pasta bakes.
What's that?
Bacon, chicken. What is this? Chicken Caesar salad? No. Is she gonna eat it like that? No, I can't watch. No! What are we doing here? No. Why do people subject their intestines to these blasphemous things? It's
Our dog is not gonna eat this.
not even my dog, Casual.
Oh yeah.
Creamy Caesar.
Yeah.
This is just lazy cooking. I'm skipping forward.
Mozzarella sticks. God knows
We don't
what's
know
inside there.
the source of these ingredients and what exactly is inside these mozzarella sticks. But someone wants to do a quick meal, go on my page. No! The powdered mac and cheese with the mozzarella sticks.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that.
I'm wondering what's happening in this person's life. Is she going through a rough moment?
She's already in therapy.
Is she trying to discover herself? Look at that fluorescent powder. I mean, how can even this be called food? No! This is an insult to all Italian's cuisine. Wow, the water changes the entire recipe now.
Yeah.
Let's look at the end. I want to see what happens to it. No!
Wow.
The mac and cheese bite?
Wow. Hey.
No, but you know that I just recently found out that this country has serious gut issue problems. These type of things should not be
Oh wow, Mexican.
promoted to our kids, to the future of tomorrow. No.
Wow.
I'm flabbergasted. I don't even know why. I want to understand their family. I want to see their faces when they eat this. I want to understand what happens. Look at that thing. No, this is torture food. This is like Middle Ages torture. But why? No, I want to...
Deep fried pizza.
Listen, can you imagine what happens to you when you actually ingest something like that? No, we would not try this. Not even a little bit of, expression or a little bit of, I don't know, passion in way you take...
Tenderize the meat, nothing. Just...
Yes, why don't we just put cream in?
Well, the whole thing, you're gonna just dump the whole sauce in there.
Is that a pressure cooker?
I
What is
think
that?
that's heavy cream.
No.
Yeah, just wash it out. Wash it out. Why not? Wow.
But what's the lifespan of someone who eats this? I'm not joking. Like, I want to let everybody know, it is my mission, that if you eat like this, it's going to be impacting your life.
Big time.
What is that?
That's
cream cheese? Cream cheese on top?
Cream cheese, yeah. Yeah. Dump it in there, exactly, that's the right term. Looks like a
Just
dump.
dump the chicken, dump the cream cheese, the entire ranch sauce. Mamma mia. No, parmesan.
Parmesan, look at that, it's yellow.
We don't know the source of this parmesan, meaning we don't really know what it's made of. Read the ingredients. Look at this, even the pot is screaming for help. Okay, so this is ramen in a pack.
Chicken flavor, have you seen that?
No, guys, the artificial flavoring are the worst for you.
Chicken flavor. God knows how they do
It's
it.
like I don't know. But why are you mixing the ramen with this chicken flavor, the ricotta cheese? What's happening here? I would like to talk to your mother.
Somebody that does that probably didn't have a mom.
Oh, don't say that.
That's true though. Look at that. I mean, a mom would never make you eat something like that.
Like,
okay, fine. I'm not gonna say.
Maybe he just didn't have anything else in the pantry. Oh, he's creating layers with the ramen.
I told you.
By the way, you need to read the ingredients of those ramen boxes. They are awful. There's nothing but fake food in it.
Classico.
Remember, the food is what nurtures you, what keeps you going, what gives you the energy to be amazing.
What you eat, you become.
Don't cut short.
Look at that.
You are what you eat. What are you gonna be if you eat this? No. The potato chips.
I'm expecting the pineapple to appear anytime now.
I'm not feeling well. Who is this person? Find him.
Yeah. Hot Cheetos by any chance?
No. Please.
But is he gonna bake this? What is he gonna...
More ricotta
don't
on
do
top
it.
of the potato chips? No, this guy.
No, this is really, you're gonna be sick. You're gonna be sick 100%. There's no...
Oh, really? But listen, let's talk about this, right? So imagine, like, let the food be the medicine. How is this going to be good medicine for you? This is gonna transform you into an angry, frowny, frustrated individual.
Look at that. I mean, it's just having a bunch of herbs.
Junk food.
Well, yeah, bake it. There's not even water in there. Let's see.
No.
Let's see.
You should not be proud of that, my friend.
No.
Let's not make... This ramen is not even cooked. I'm skipping forward. This is disgusting.
Wow, that's bad.
Shame on you! Why do we keep doing this to ourselves?
Just take out this section of our creation.
A little bit of our family legacy just vanished because of this. I cannot believe this is still happening. We are in the Middle Ages of cooking. We have to change this.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell.
If you want to cook some decent stuff, not this, guys.
Let's make some really healthy, good. Remember, food is nourishment. You are the beauty of nature. Nature gives you so much for you. You have to just grab onto it. Please, let's join into a large petition to stop these atrocities. The atrocity have to stop.